Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pooja's Kitchen Time. Today's recipe is cabbage peas pulao. Now let's see the ingredients list. 1 cup cabbage, quarter cup peas, 2 cups rice, 1 tomato, 1 sliced onion, whole spices, oil for tempering and salt to taste. And soak the rice for minimum 20 minutes. For masala, take a small onion, 6 to 7 pods garlic, 1.5 to 2 inch ginger, 4 to 5 red chilies, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and quarter teaspoon cinnamon cloves powder, or you can use 4 to 5 cloves and 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon and some coriander leaves, and grind everything into a smooth paste. Now the masala is ready. Let's see how to prepare. In a pressure cooker, add 4 tablespoons of oil, whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom, star anise and bay leaves. Into this, add 1 sliced onion and saute. Add cabbage. Friends, here I took green peas. You can use dry peas also, but just soak it overnight and add it. Now add green peas. Mix everything well and add chopped tomato, grinded masala, and fry till oil oozes out and add salt. Into this, add around 4 cups of water and let it boil. Now add soaked rice, mix everything well and check the taste. Friends, don't cover the lid immediately. Let it cook for some time. Now this is becoming thick. Let's cover the lid and cook for about 1 to 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, now the pressure is released. Let's open and check the pulao. It's perfectly cooked. Friends, if you cover the lid immediately after adding water, the masala will be separate and the rice will be separate. So cover the lid when the rice cooked 70%. Follow this step, the pulao will be flavorful. Now the cabbage peas pulao is ready. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment in the comment box below. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching. See you soon.